Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academic. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today introduction. Software requirement analysis. What is software requirement analysis and how it is conducted? Major area of efforts, requirement gathering analysis, meeting and interviewing, application specification technique, quality function deployment, software requirement analysis and principles, prototyping and SRS document. Requirement analysis, the process of collecting, understanding, modeling and documenting software requirement. A software engineering is responsible for requirement analysis in complex project tasks is performed by a specialist system analyst. How requirement engineering task is performed? It performed by identifying externally observable data, functions and behavior requirement. Data function, behavior. Create data functional and behavior model. Software analysis area of effort. Problem recognition, evaluation and modeling, specification review. Requirement analysis technique, meeting and interviewing, facilitated application specification technique, quality function development. Quality function development is quality management technique in which customer and incorporated on software development process. QFD is the important to know what is important to the customer. Application of first principle. First three principles required the data functional and behavior model should be developed. Models are developed to get better understanding of the system to be developed. Application of the second principle, the principle required the functional model should be created. Functional model, in functional model focus of software engineering on the problem specific function and sub-function. Prototyping used to create functional models. Prototyping is a collection of computer program which will be simulate the function that the user wants. Prototyping model is developed to understand the system. After modeling, prototyping model is thrown away. Software requirement specification. A software requirement specification is comprehensive description of the purpose and environment for software under development. SRS document. Introduction, information description, functional description, system behavior, performance requirement, design, concentrate, validation. Introduction to focus here is not programming, although this is obviously important, but on other implementation issues that are often not covered in programming texts. Configuration management. During the development process, you have to keep track of the many different of each software component and in configuration management system. Host target development. Production software does not usually execute the same computer as the software development environment. Reuse from the 1960s to 1990, most new software was developed by writing all code in high-level programming language. The only significant reuse of software was reuse the function and object in programming language libraries. Reuse level, the abstraction level. At this level, you do not reuse software directly but use knowledge of successful abstraction in the design of software. Software use is defined in this diagram: system, application system, abstractions, component and objects. Reuse costs. The cost of the timing spent in the looking for software is reuse, assigning whether or not it means your need. Where applicable to cost of buying the reusable software for large of the subsystem, these costs can be very high. Configuration management is the name given to the general process of managing changing software system. The aim of configuration management to support the system integrations process so that all development can access the project code. Version management, where support provide to keep track the different version of software component. System integration, where support provide to help developer define what version component are used to create each version of system. Problem tracking, where support is provided to allow user to report bug and other problems. Host target development. Most software is developed one computer but run on separate machine. More generally, we can talk about development platform and execution platform. A platform is more than just hardware. It includes the installed operating system plus other supporting software such as database management system. Development platform usually has different installed software that execution platform. These platform may have different architecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.